Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. On January 2nd, 2024, the case summary page in Idaho versus Koberger was updated with a PDF document filed by the state of Idaho on the 31st of December 2024. Now, the case summary page is the document that is maintained by the clerk of court to include filings, court orders, hearings, and other matters of interest in the case. The item that I'm referencing is the response to defendants' motion to compel ICR 16B7 materials and for sanctions. This is an objection which the state of Idaho has filed. We had anticipated that they would file this document. It comes very quickly because the motion to compel and for sanctions was filed by Mr. Koberger on the 27th of December 2024, and it does appear on the public docket. You can read it if you go to the cases of judicial interest that the state of Idaho has published on the internet. Go down to the Koberger case. It is dated the 27th of December 2024 and includes some very serious allegations that the defense has brought against the state of Idaho, saying that the state failed to comply with Judge Hippler's October 9th, 2024 pretrial and trial order, which required the state to produce to Mr. Koberger on or before December 18th, 2024, expert reports. And Mr. Koberger is alleging that of the 25 expert witnesses disclosed by the state of Idaho on the 18th of December 2024, 20 expert reports or opinions were not included. And if that is true, and we don't know because the items are not on the docket, then that would be a violation indeed of the court's order, because the court ordered the state of Idaho to turn over not just the curriculum vitae of their expert witnesses, but also reports indicating what they would be expected to testify to at trial. This is, of course, if Judge Hippler, who is the gatekeeper, he is the trier of fact, allows all, none, or some of the 25 expert witnesses. Same with the defense expert disclosures, which are coming up due later in January. Judge Hippler decides if a proffered expert is authorized to appear before the jury and give an expert opinion. In any event, we don't know at this time what the state has said in this document because it has not yet hit the public docket, but we do know that it is an objection responding to the defense's motion to compel. So we should have access to this possibly as early as today. Today is January 3rd, 2025. Hopefully within the next few days. It is a PDF document, and PDF documents, as they appear on the case summary page, are documents that will be released to the public. It's when you see a lock and key device next to the document on the case summary page, then you know that that is one of the multitude of filings that are under seal in this case. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone podcast. Thank you as always for joining us here today.